You know, Red Robin vibes, you know, color head vibes. I don't know, just, I don't know who else got red hair, so I'm just saying red head vibes. Right now, day and night, all I got to say is, what was your girl? Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. You thought I was gonna sing? Yeah, no, not today, not today, not today. I'm actually feeling a little congested, so I'm not gonna do my whole little shabam, little jingle or whatever you want to call it. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this beautiful synthetic wig and how I do my makeup according to the color of this wig. I'm not sure if you've noticed already, but I did review this wig way back. It was a red wig that I received from, I believe it was Divatress, and it was the Lachlan wig in the color neon red, so you guys will see how that looks and everything. I already have it 100% flat iron. So if you want to know how to flat iron a synthetic wig, please check out the video linked above. It'll probably be up there or in my description box. But yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how to slay, you know, do a little Nicki Minaj, you know, Red Robin type slay, or whatever you want to call it, redhead slay. I do not wear a lot of colored wigs, just due to the fact that, you know, I can't wear a red wig in nursing school. It's just not who I am. But I do like to flex every once in a while. So if you want to see more content like this, what you're about to see, make sure that you like this video and that you subscribe to my channel. Again, I don't want to sound thirsty or whatever, but you know, make sure you follow your girl on Instagram too, because that's where I really show my looks and show, you know, how I rock these looks on a day-to-day basis. So if you don't already, make sure that you follow my Instagram at Lexsa Marie. It's the same as my YouTube name, Lexsa Marie, Lexsa Marie, Lexsa Marie, Lexsa Marie, Lexsa Marie, Lexsa Marie. Do not forget it. But yeah, we're just gonna go straight into this video. No extra lingering comments or anything. But yeah, let's get into it and slay like Red Robin or Robin Hood or bruh. A Red Robin. I got that right. I was thinking of the burger place the first time, but just ignore me. Just ignore me. Let's get into the video. Alright, so for a wig like this, I am not going to necessarily do my bold cap method just because I don't find it necessary. I typically do that if I have way more lace in my wig, but what I am going to do is make sure all of my baby hairs are pulled back. So I'm just going to take some gel and just comb back my baby hairs. So the gel I used was my Style Factor Edge Booster in the Strong Water Base Hold Pomade. This is the scent Pineapple, and I just like how it smells. It has a really good hold, but I just did it so that the sides of my hair don't get snagged or anything like that when I do put on this wig. So I know y'all gonna hate me for this, but you know how I always do my voiceovers instead of just talk in the video? Do you want to know why? Right, because I'm assuming you said yes. I like to binge watch my TV shows while I do tutorials, just because, like, you know, I think putting on wigs and, you know, makeup is like therapeutic to me, and what completes it is just watching Insecure or watching Little Fires Everywhere. And I just thought about it and I was like, now that I'm honest and being upfront with y'all, I'm about to start voice overing the rest of this tutorial because I want to watch Insecure. So don't judge me. I know that's not what the YouTubers do, but I need to catch up on my show. And yeah, I love you guys. I'm still gonna do my wig review and everything, but I can't work in silence. I need to watch my show. But before I go to 100% voiceover, so this wig is very, very, very small. So what I did was I have the comb further up than I normally do. So like the wig isn't on the back of my head. Like my braids are kind of like stopping it from going like too far up, if you know what I'm saying. So I basically did that so it can inch up more to where I want it to be on my head. But now I'm just going to flat iron the front to make sure it kind of like goes up like this and then down, and then use my Got to Be Glued spray to kind of have like that, I don't know, that real wig look. You'll see what I'm saying. You'll see what I'm saying.
So I'm just going to flat iron the front of my hair just so it can be as sleek as possible. I know that it's a synthetic unit, but I believe this can take up to like 350 degrees or something like that. So I'm just going in to make sure that my entire unit is flat, baby. So I was struggling a little bit with my baby hairs, but honestly, like the way it came out, y'all are about to be like, you know, the struggle was real, but it was worth it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to use my Got to Be Glued and just pull back, you know, a few baby hairs in the front and get ready for my makeup look. I'm just touching up the lace a little bit because you can kind of see the line of demarcation. So I'm just going in with my Black Radiance contour palette in the light shade. I don't know what it's called, I guess sculpting shade. And I'm just going to put that in my part and in the front of my hairline to make sure that it is as natural looking as a synthetic wig can look. So yeah. This pencil from Kiss. It was actually in the beauty supply store, and I just tried to find a pencil that was closest to my wig color but a little bit darker. However, this pencil is kind of light, as you can tell. Like I was just like, this ain't happening. So what I ended up doing was just adding a little bit of that dark pencil I'm going to show you in a second to my brows to kind of give it that mixed like a dark red look, as you can see right here. You watch my videos, you should know what products I am using. Everything's going to be linked down below if you're interested in the brushes that I'm using. This is from the BH Mall on Amazon. These were very affordable brushes, very nice brushes. So if you want the details on that, make sure you let me know. I'm going to make sure I put it in the comment not the comment section, but you know, the description down below. But I'm just, you know, going in with my basics, nothing crazy, nothing too crazy today. At this, look at this, look at this, the brows with the hair, with the face, like, come on now, come on now, come on now. Lex don't even know yet. Lex don't even know she look good right now. Yeah, spray that face, sis. Spray it, all right, and show them what you're working with. Sorry, I just had to hype myself up real quick, because I was just like, dang, girl.
All right, like, come on, come on, come on, come on. Look at these brows. Look at, this is wonderful. This is absolutely wonderful. The one time I like to wear red is now. So, no, I can't do a random pencil. Where's my pencil? Where is my pencil? Where's my pencil?
I can't find my pencil. I literally just had it. Like, does that ever happen when you're using something, next thing you know it's gone? Like, the hell? So I'm gonna just use my Anastasia. Y'all know what I use already. Well, I'm gonna just use that to fix the front of my brows, because I don't want to look like a red hot is sitting right on my brow. And I'm gonna just blend it out. But this look is cute. Not every day, in my opinion, but this is a big flex. This is a big flex. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in natural light again, because you know I just like to show, you know, without the ring light. So let me turn this off. Ooh, I'm gonna turn my ring light off, and I'm going to take my camera off and show y'all what you're working with. Like I like it for like 1 second, and the other second I'm just like, so I don't know what that means to you. This is how the wig is looking. Again, I'm in 100% natural light, baby, natural light. Let me adjust this. And it's my brows. It's just, I don't know, like I feel like if it was a darker red, I would be feeling it a little more or something like that. But I did do my thing, okay? I did do my thing. It's just that this wig tends to shed a lot. That's the only reason why I don't wear it. But if you want to see my full review, make sure you check it out in the description below. But yeah, it's cute. I mean, it's cute. So hopefully my pictures will come out cute, decent. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked my little red brow, little, I don't know, Nicki Minaj type vibes or whatever. You know, Red Robin vibes, you know, color head vibes. I don't know, just, I don't know who else got red hair, so I'm just saying red head vibes. So yes, I'm about to catch y'all later in my next video, okay? Okay? Okay. Bye guys.